Alright, napilitan lang tayo magbukas dito ng Cynthia's Garchomp PX Premium Collection. Well, di naman masyadong pilit. Gusto din mag-video for the content. Papansin nyo siguro ibang boses kasi hindi ito yung mismong Squirtle na hanap nyo. First up, we got Cynthia's Garchomp EX promo card, Cynthia's Gibble, and Cynthia's Gibites. Meron din tayo mga figurines pan-display, and the sticker. Pwede nyo ilagay sa binder nyo yan or kahit saan nyo trip. And we have the packs. 3 Destined, 2 Journey, at 2 Paradox. Let's get started with Paradox Rift. Hindi naman siguro halata na kabado magbukas. Ayoko lang talagang masira or magulo yung cards eh. Medyo mahihain yarn. First up, Electric Energy, Bounsweet, Feebas, Aipom, Pansage, Orbeetle, Cloth, Luxurious Cape, Nimble, Lokix, and Goldangle EX. Not gonna lie, hindi ko na-expect na gano'n yung presyo niya, pero still good. And last Paradox Rift. Tingnan natin ano laman nito. Here's the code card. And let's get started. Water Energy, Charcadet, Little, Shrubbish, Gimmighoul, Absol, Masquerain, Ancient Booster, Reverse Holo Pansear, Curse Duster, and Toxicity EX. That's it for our hits for today.